Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch, and I've got some Cheetos to try today. I was going to say new Cheetos, but I don't know if they're new or not. But they're new to me, and that's what matters. So I've got Cheetos Twisted Sweet and Spicy Flavour Corn Puffs, and Cheetos Fiery Jalapeno and Cheese Flavour Corn Puffs. I got these from Home Bargains. These were £1.49 each. And it says, #1 puffed snack brand in the USA. Oh, there's a little symbol there to... Oh, there we go. Are you interested in this? I'm going to tell you anyway. Cheetos is the top selling brand in the curls and puff segment in total US, based on volume and value sales from IRI data in the 52 weeks ending November 24th, 2024. And I'm back. Right, let's try these ones first. Sweet and spicy, 120 gram bag. The big old things. Oh. They've got that distinctive corn puff smell, along with some other things as well. That is a big old snack. Look at that. Very light texture. It's definitely sweet. And it's definitely spicy, but it's not mega spicy, you know. To be honest, if I can handle those ghost pepper noodles, I think I can handle anything. No, I'm not. I'm not going to start doing mega spicy challenges, definitely not. All right, these. Quite a strong taste. As I said, they definitely do what it says on the pack. They're sweet, they're a bit spicy, but nothing much. They're salty as well. Yeah, they're a good snack. I like them. One more and we'll try the other ones. They're good. Yeah, they've got the balance just right. Excuse me. They're not too sweet. They're not too spicy. They're not too salty. Yeah, very good snack that. Very good. Right, cleanse the old palate. And we'll try the fiery jalapeno and cheese. Slightly smaller bag, 105 grams. Well, I say it's smaller. I mean, I don't think it's smaller in actual size, but it's smaller in the weight of product, I guess. Right, well, they look virtually the same. Oh, they don't smell the same. Oh yeah, they smell really cheesy. Oh yeah. They're spicier, as you could probably tell. Quite cheesy. Wow, that heat is really building up. I've only had one. My eyes are watering as well. I'm getting a bit sniffly. Oh, yeah, these are good. I'd like a stronger cheese taste with these, but it says jalapeno and cheese. It's jalapeno heat, but not jalapeno taste. I mean, some things you can really taste the jalapeno. I can't in these, but wow, they're spicy. Wow. Spicier than I thought they were going to be, to be honest. I thought these were going to be one of those things where it says fiery and they're nothing near it, but as you can tell by the yeah, they are spicy. Right, what I've got to do though, it's got to be done, hasn't it? I've got to try one out of each bag together, I mean. So, there we go, the sweet and spicy, the fiery jalapeno. That's really nice. Yeah. Yeah. If you eat them together, it sort of balances everything out. The overall taste isn't as sweet, isn't as hot. But it's just different, and it's a combination of the two. What can I say? Yeah, I recommend both of these. So if you like just a tiny bit of heat, go for those. If you like more than a tiny bit of heat, go for these. If you like both levels of heat, go for both and eat them together. I'm going to have one more of these. Oh yeah, those are a beer snack, or a cider snack in my case. Hardly ever drink beer or lager. I have a lager now and again, but I'm more of a cider person, as you might know. But yeah, if I was having an evening where I wasn't working the following day, and I was having a few ciders, they would go great with that. Oh yes. Right, thanks for watching that one. Let me know if these are new. As I said, I've never seen them before, definitely never tried them before. Yeah, are they new? Have you tried them? Have you tried them in the USA? Have you tried them in any other country? Right, thanks for watching that one, and I will see you in the next video.